Welcome back. A goods train and a truck collided at Verna-Velson railway route. The empty goods train was moving towards the godown without any siren and signal. Truck owner said there was no signal, no guard, not even a speed breaker at the crossing point. The truck driver has received minor injuries in the accident.
ट्रेनीचे सिग्नलय ना तांकां प्लस गेट ना काय ना तांकां तो सडनली मदीं पावलो ताका धाक्कन आवाज येयलो इतलो आयकूंक येयलो आवाज जालो आनी तो गाडी 10-12 मिटर फुडें येयली ट्रेन म्हणटा आपली स्लो आसली म्हणटा ड्रायव्हर पिल्लो आसलो म्हणटा तो ड्रायव्हराक आल्कोहोलीक टेस्ट कर म्हटलें तांकां आल्कोहोलीक टेस्टीक काय मेळोंक ना
जेन्ना ती गाडी मदीं पावली पळय न्हू तेन्ना झुप करून तेका दोळे मुखार दिसले तेका कांय करपाक चान्स मेळोना आनी ती सायलंट हेजेर येयल्ली आनी ते मनीसूय ना स्पीड ब्रेकूय ना आनी गेटूय ना पूण रेल्वे क्रॉसींग आहा तें क्रॉसींग आहा थंय एक मनीस तरी आसपा आसलो रिवर्सान रेल्वे येता ती मातशी हें करपा लागून गाडये स्टॉप करपा जाय आसलो मनीस कोणी तरी तो मनीस कोणी ना जालो हांगा आनी ती झाडांनी तेका दिसोना गाडयेंतल्यान चलता आसतना इंजीन तेजे फाटल्यान उरलें ही तेगेली फ्रंट सायड जाली ती येयली न्यूट्रल येता तशी ती येयली ट्रेनी तेजो हॉर्नूय ना काय ना आनी क्रॉसिंगाचेर आपले भाशेन घेवपा तशी घेतली घेता आसतना मदीं पावतकीच दोळ्या मुखार येयले घट्ट करून आवाज येयलो म्हणटा तो ड्रायव्हर आपल्याक तितलेंच
आनी ड्रायव्हर
मातसो माल लागलो
The truck owners claim that there are no signboards nor any guard or signal at the crossing point. We tried to contact the Konkan Railway officials for Railway's take, but they refused to comment. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent. Kerala Blasters and FC Goa played the ISL match at Kochi on Thursday. Kerala Blasters beat Goa 1-0. Milagros Gonçalves scored a terrific goal for Kerala Blasters. Milagros was termed as hero of the match.
The crowd know you ain't waited long enough for a goal. Let's give it to them. They take it short, they take it quick. Pearson with the delivery. Oh, well defended again by Anna Lam. Here's Orsi. Clever ball from Orsi to Barisic. Barisic into the middle. No offside. The goal is given. The substitute, Milagros Gonçalves, has put guides it home. Oh, and don't they love a goal here? Don't they just love a goal? It is deafening here in the Jawaharlal Nehru.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.